They met at the Grand Ole Opry, and in 80s style, Lorrie made the first move.
She came up to me and told me that I was her favorite male singer.
Because I had been a fan of his for a long time, and I had been listening to a lot of his bluegrass tapes that he had. But no, if I'd have thought Wherever You Been All My Life would have got me where it did today, I'd have said it.
I love that.
I know you loved him long time ago. Even now in my yards, you still want him, I know. But darling,